Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler and today I have another unboxing for you. Alright, today's unboxing is, I don't know, but today's unboxing knife I do know, and that is the Off-Grid Knives Badger. Freaking love this guy. I actually chose to carry him today, and like this week I'm kind of just choosing to carry what I want to carry. I'm not really giving a shit about... Dude gave me a lollipop. That's awesome. Probably not going to eat it because never trust candy from a stranger. But this week I'm choosing to carry whatever I want to carry. Nobody's going to dictate. No reviews are going to dictate. This week is Tyler's week, and I'm going to do a recap at the end of the week of each day what I chose to carry. And that sounds a little arrogant, sounds a little whatever, but as a reviewer, guys, I don't get to carry what I want to sometimes. Sometimes I'm just stuck carrying the review knife, and that's cool because you get to experience a bunch, but you really don't get to experience what you want to experience. So, without further ado, oh, this is a good one. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a doozy. This is a Voxnaes. I believe this is the Voxnaes Tur. Yes, I had to look that up. This is a Voxnaes Tur. Ooh, this is a big one. This is one of the ones that I was really excited to get. I've never felt a Voxnaes before, or a fox knife before. As you can see, it comes with a cool little pouch. And it's made in Italy, and that's the Italian flag colors right there. That's even cooler. Let's see, yeah. Make sure the dude didn't leave any money behind, you know what I mean? You got any money in here? This is a cool little pouch, though. This is like super soft foam, but it doesn't feel cheap. It feels nice. And then there's a nice little pouch right there. That's pretty sweet. This is the Voxnaes Tur. Now, I don't remember what I traded for this. I think, and you guys might shoot me in the face for this one, I think this was a trade for my Super Freak, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, so this carbon fiber already looks friggin' awesome. The centering is perfect. You got a nice titanium clip with a titanium backspacer here and more contoured carbon fiber. Excellent. Excellent. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice and tight, guys. Keep it right. Keep it tight, right? Let's ready for this first flip. Reverse flicking. Ooh. So, contoured. Very nice. Blade steel. Let's see here. I don't know what it is offhand. That's interesting. It doesn't tell us what the blade steel is. That's wild. It's got all this billboarding right here. Voxnaes, Menaggio, Italy. Oh, Elmax. Oh, that's right. That's right. That's right. That's part of the reason I wanted this. I'd never experienced Elmax before. So ergonomically, this feels great. Action feels great. No back and forth. No up and down. And yeah, there's something super snappy about this. It is not drop shut, but it's a small blade. I mean, to put that into perspective, you guys know how large my Off-Grid Knives Badger is. That's how small this knife is. But it's just so freaking cool. I mean, this is awesome. Yeah. Ergonomically, this thing's solid as hell. I love these contoured scales. And they're a very nice contour. Let's see here. See if you guys can see it. Like, that's the difference in contouring. Oh, boy. So, one wish is I didn't realize this was as small as it was. It's not a big deal, you know, it is what it is, but it's a little bit smaller than I thought. I should have known coming from Europe because they don't really, I wouldn't think that they would have a super large knife. But the action is tight but smooth, like really smooth. So I get to this point and it's super smooth on the way down. Now it's not drop shut, but watch. Like you can, once it breaks past a certain point, it's really, really nice. And oh yeah, that's very freaking cool. I'm excited to carry that and review that guy. Let's check some sharpness straight out of the box for you little sharpness fiends here. Oh my gosh. All right. So this is another one. I didn't even feel that freaking cut. So it's sharp. The first cut was extremely sharp. The rest of them, they were kind of like good and almost great. Not as great as the Domino was out of the box, but You know, one thing I'm wondering is the way this blade shape is, I feel like they should have made that like a choke up position, but it's not. Like this feels like if I could go here, and it feels like I'm supposed to. I'm not complaining about it yet, but I mean, because this feels good. Like this is cool, and this is probably all the blade most people need. It's just a very, very cool, and LMAX is just like one of those super steels that's up there with a lot of stuff, you know, and I don't know too much about LMAX either. Part of the reason I wanted to get this knife, I wanted to learn more about it, use it a little bit, and then we'll pass it on to the next guy because I don't have a forever knife anymore. You guys know I'm a knife whore now, so excuse the language. Very, very fun, very, very cool, and just first, let's go back to the flip. Listen to this. For such a little guy, that is so satisfying. This is a very satisfying knife to flip open. This is up there. Probably I would give it an 8.5 or 9.5 as far as like satisfying open flips. It's just, let's just do it again. Oh God, yeah, that's awesome. That thing is a high. You can tell because this is a higher end piece. I believe this is close to like 280 or something. I don't know what it was. With the trade and stuff, but you can just feel the design quality and the tolerances and everything that goes along with it. Let's check out the liners on the inside. So there's only a liner on the liner lock side. There's no liner on the other side. It's literally just carbon fiber. And yeah, this isn't a review. This is just so you guys can see it. This is the Voxnaes Tur. Really, really cool. And maybe in the top 5 of my sub 3-inch knives. I'm assuming this is a sub 3-inch knife. Let's see here. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, this is a sub 3-inch knife. This is coming in at like 2 and like 7/8 or like 2.8. Yeah, this is very cool. So my name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. This is a Voxnaes Tur unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, genuinely. You guys have a great freaking day. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It genuinely means a lot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, give me some feedback in the comments below and hit the thumbs down button. In case you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon, which will be listed right here. In that Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways to just the Patreons based on the number of Patreons that we have in the Patreon. We will also be giving discounts on all the knives that I sell based on the number of patrons. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great day.